Hey there, Kirkshinta here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm talking about the 10x income system. And I'm going to be doing a Stripe tutorial so that you know how you can accept payments with the 10x income system and accept these unlimited $297 commissions. So stay tuned to the end so you can learn this Stripe tutorial, how to set your Stripe up the right way. What I wanted to do before I jump into that is just show you, take you inside of my Stripe account and show you. I have, you can see yesterday I made a $297 commission. This is my actual Stripe account, my name. And you can see that I have made $1,725.57. The 57 cents was from, I forget what it was for, from something else. But anyways, the average spend per customer, you can see $297. And that's what I've made from the 10x income system. Okay. So, and yeah, so that's pretty much that. So I just wanted to share that with you so you know that, I've gotten paid from the system. And we do have others who are getting paid with the system or getting results with the 10x income system. Let me explain what the 10x income system is. Well, let me first share this. So here we had Jasmine. She said traffic sale while on the phone getting dressed, and she got a super checkout, a $297 commission. This person right here, she, or is that if he, oh, he, sorry, my bad, you, said, got passive, and is getting sales from traffic, got two $297 commissions. So I'm not going to spend, I could scroll all day, showing results like that, but I'm not going to because I've done plenty of videos sharing that. You more than welcome to watch that. I want to talk about what the 10x income system is. It's a passive income system for people who don't have the time, knowledge, or experience to market their own business. And they want someone to take over the marketing for them. The system does the marketing of your affiliate link for you through Google Ads, okay, through paid Google Ads, okay. You have the ability as a 10x income system to purchase a advertising / traffic package, and they're super affordable, and now they last 60 days instead of 30 days. So you can purchase a package for $60 that covers you for 60 days, $80 that covers you for 60 days, $110 or $200. That's simple. Okay. I will gladly hand over $200 for someone to advertise my business for me so that I could go about doing my business. That's another reason why. And another thing with the 10x income system, for those of you who do organic marketing, YouTube, posting on, you can still do those things and get bonus sales and bonus commissions. I actually encourage people to do it, right? But you don't have to with this system. Okay. So, as long as you understand that passive advertising means that someone is passively advertising your business, and when you make a sale, you didn't have to actively do anything to get that. Even if you made just one $297 for commission for the month, you didn't do anything for that, right? If you made several, you didn't have to actively work to do that. That's the secret. That's the secret. Passive income secret is to be able to make income when you're not actively working or doing something. Okay. Now, so yeah. So anyways, what I want to do is talk about how you can use Stripe as a payment processor to be able to accept payments with the 10x income system. The 10x income system gives you two ways that you can accept payment. And one is Stripe and one is PayPal. And what I wanted to do in this quick video is give my best advice. I'm not going to actually share my screen only because it will reveal my keys, and I'm not doing that. I'm not showing my test keys. But what I'm going to do in this tutorial is give my best advice on how you could get set up on Stripe. So what you want to do is if you don't already have a Stripe account, create a Stripe account. It only takes a few minutes. Go to stripe.com. And my best advice, this is a problem that I see a lot of people do, is when they create an account with Stripe, they immediately name their Stripe account the name of their program. Something, something income system, something, something make money online, something, something. No, your name. When you create your Stripe account, you're going to name it your name. When it says, what is your business? What is this? Your name. Okay, that's this. Think of it almost like a bank account, right? You're going to fill in all your the details in the form, and that's what you're going to do. Okay. Now, the second thing that you need to know about creating your Stripe account is that Stripe is going to ask you to verify your information. So you need to follow those directions. So when you log back in, it may say something like verify your account, and it's going to tell you exactly what to do that. It may say, hey, there's some, Lord Jesus, there may be some test deposits that it may want you to do. It may ask you to check your email and verify that email. Whatever it tells you to do, you need to verify your account. Okay, so that's another important thing. All right. Now, here's how we get to the money, because you have to be able to get to the set it up to get to the money. The next thing that you want to do is right here, it's going to say test mode. You want to make sure this is not clicked the other direction. You see how mine is clicked to the left? That's what you want, because if it's on test mode, you can't receive payments. Okay, a lot of people, their Stripe account is set up on test mode. You can't receive payments if it's on test mode. So make sure it's not on test mode. Okay. So that's that. The next thing that you want to do is from the home screen, you should be able to see all your dashboard navigation. You want to click on where it says developers. Okay. Once you click on developers, right here, I screenshotted it. So you're on the left-hand side, it's going to say API keys. Okay. You're going to click on API keys, and then these, you're going to see two keys, and this is what you're going to copy and put in a notepad. You're going to need to copy your publishable key and your secret key. Okay, your publishable key, this is how you know you're not in test mode. It will say 𝗕𝗨𝗦𝗓. Your secret key will say 𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐓. You're going to make sure you copy all of this, and you copy it and you put it in a notepad. Your secret key, you're going to copy all of this and you're going to put it in a notepad. Okay, when you fill out your form, let me make sure you see my face. Once you have those keys copied, you're going to go fill out your 10x income system website request form, and that's what you're going to put in there, the publishable key and the secret key. That is going to make sure that the website that they're setting up for you and your Stripe system are communicating with each other so that you can get paid direct to your Stripe account. I hope that makes sense. So that's the process, my friends. That's it, right? So go ahead, set up your Stripe account. Set it up, verify it, make sure you're not in test mode, and copy your whole publishable key and your whole Stripe key. Make sure it says 𝗕𝗨𝗦𝗓 for publishable live, right? And then the other ones should say, the secret key should say 𝗕𝗨𝗦𝗓. That's how you know. If it says PK test, you're in test mode. If it says 𝗕𝗨𝗦 test, you're in test mode. You don't want to be in test mode. So I hope this was of value, my friends. That's it. If you're ready to join the 10x income system, link is in the description. And that's that. I'll see you in the next video. Smash the subscribe. Bye, guys.